welcome to Happy Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very healthy, yummy and delicious cake. Its name is banana dry fruit cake. We are not going to use any sugar, maida, condensed milk or eggs. We are going to bake our cake on our stove top. We are not going to use oven also. It's a very quick and easy recipe and it is going to be very tasty and delicious. All the ingredients will be easily available at your home. I'll tell you the ingredient list through the video. So please go through the video fully and share your valuable feedback and comments to me. Please make it.
Okay friends, let us start. Firstly, we will take 4 ripe bananas in our mixer jar. We'll cut it into fine pieces. To that, we'll be adding 4 to 5 big tablespoons of powdered jaggery and we'll blend it into a smooth paste. I'll show you the consistency once it is done. See? We have blended into a smooth fine paste. Now keep this aside and take a mixing bowl and pour all the mixture into the mixing bowl. Okay, now let's start adding our ingredients. Firstly, we will take 1.5 cup of atta. After sieving it, we will be adding the next ingredients. We will take 2 small pinches of salt, 3 pinches of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half tablespoon of baking soda, and we'll give all of them a gentle mix. Okay, now we'll be adding half cup of milk and 3/4 cup of vegetable oil or ghee or melted butter, whatever your wish you can take. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, or instead of that you can use vinegar also, and give all of them a mix and prepare a smooth cake batter. In case if you find that your dough is a little bit dry, you can add 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk or water and give it a nice mix and prepare a smooth cake batter. At this stage, add dry fruits of your choice, mix it in the cake batter and form a smooth cake batter. If needed, add milk or water to make it smooth. Now brush your cake mold with vegetable oil or melted butter and dust it with flour and keep your mold ready. Preheat your kadai at high flame for 15 minutes. Put the mold into the kadai and bake it at medium to high flame for 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes now. Let us check. Wow, our cake is ready. I hope you liked it. Please make it and share your feedback with me.